Making a quick video on how to install railings by code. So I got violated because, not violated like that, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I got violated by code, got a $60 fine because I put up the railing, but this was not here. What is the purpose of this? I was told so an old lady doesn't walk up the stairs and snag her purse and fall backwards, okay? So by code, you have to do this and make it come back into itself, or if you're doing it in the center, it has to go into the post so it can't snag anything, so you can have it coming into, hopefully this makes sense, coming into like a post, like right into it, if you've ever seen posts like that. Also, we're in Michigan, so code over here is not to exceed over 2 inches of hand railing. So this isn't allowed because it's about almost 4. So, and not less than, I think it was 1¼ inches. But this was picked up at Menards. I think I got a 12-footer. I was able to buy this just like this in the outdoor section for less than 20 bucks. And I was able to do 2 railings. Show you guys over here. This is one that didn't pass inspection. So I got to 45 it and come back into itself. Same thing over here. So if this video helps one person out from getting a $60 fine, all I ask is give me a thumbs up and go do that railing so you can't get snagged. I guess that's what it's about. I get it. That's what they're doing now. So this is indoors and outdoors and decks. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.